7 skincare mistakes that are destroying your skin and how to fix them. Your skincare routine might look perfect, but if your skin still breaks out, feels dull, or ages faster than it should, you might be making these 7 silent skincare mistakes. In this video, I'll show you exactly what you might be doing wrong and how to fix each one. Your glow up starts now. Washing your face too often strips it of natural oils. Twice a day is enough, morning and night. And always use a gentle cleanser, not soap or harsh scrubs that damage your skin barrier. The biggest skincare crime, skipping sunscreen. Even if you're indoors or it's cloudy, UV rays can still harm your skin. Use SPF 30 or higher every day, no exceptions. This one step slows down aging and prevents sunspots. Layering 10 different products doesn't guarantee better skin. It often causes irritation. Keep your routine simple. Cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. Focus on consistency, not complexity. Never sleep with your makeup on, not even mascara. It clogs pores, causes breakouts, and makes skin look dull. Use a cleansing balm or micellar water to fully remove everything before bed. Your face doesn't end at your chin. The neck ages even faster, so apply all your skincare products down to your neck and collarbone. It takes 5 extra seconds and makes a huge difference. Pillowcases collect oil, dirt, and bacteria. If you're breaking out often, your pillow might be the hidden reason. Change it every 3 to 4 days, especially if you have acne-prone skin. Silk pillowcases are even better. Nighttime is when your skin repairs itself, so don't skip your night routine. Double cleanse, use a nourishing serum, and seal it with a night cream or facial oil. Let your skin heal while you sleep. Fixing these 7 mistakes doesn't require a full reset, just smarter habits. Start by choosing 1 or 2 fixes today. Within weeks, you'll start noticing smoother, clearer, more radiant skin without buying 20 new products. Your skincare journey isn't about perfection, it's about progress. If this helped you, give it a like, comment "glow up" below, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty truth bombs like this. You deserve skin that reflects your inner shine.